it will help you achieve everything, and you will feel so much happy and confident with your crystal placement. Also, if you are doing for the clients, your clients will be absolutely love it. They'll not only feel so good with the crystal placements on, and they also happy that it's not going to come up or catching on their heads or their clothes or their fabrics at all. So I'm floating the wet chalkboard right on the top because of the I'm thinking to put it on just to give it a try. So I am a go ahead and adding the couple cute. I almost put the bigger crystal on, but I just don't want to taking away from that cute sword, so I'm gonna leave it the sword there and add couple of crystal on, so then she can join. Her name is Pinky, and then she's going to join with the rest of the others. So I add the big ones at like size SS8, which is on that crystal kit. I'm showing it. Mine is, I don't know, I have my quite a couple months, and that kit is soldthebomb.com. We sold out so many times, and it keep restocking. And then if you haven't get chance to get one, there's a lot of pictures how you can achieve so many different cute looks, super quick, simple, easy. Whether you do it for yourself or your clients, it'll take you 10 years to you finish all of that kits, which is awesome. I love it. You can do it using it for yourself, and then also your clients, and also doing it to create a lot of like a press on, glue on set custom for the client. So I'm happy with this. We're going to go ahead and key for 60 seconds.